Oh, is that you? Sorry, must have left it running. Just putting some tools away. Been out of town for a couple of days. Came back. It's been about a week since I've ridden. And tried to start the V-Rod, and it's trying to turn over, but just, you know, this cold weather will kill the battery even over a week. So I've warmed up the shop here a little bit and walked over to Harbor Freight, picked up a trickle charger. Just want to put that on there. I did use the jump pack, the car jump pack, and got it started. So anyway, it's probably got enough to start again. Maybe we should try it. Okay, let's try to start it again. I've got the air cover off, just so I could hook the jump pack up to it. So let's see if she starts now. No, she's not gonna start, is she? That didn't sound very good, did it? I think I'll hook it up to the charger anyway and just keep her warm, keep the battery up, you know. Okay, let's see what's in the package. All right. Centec. Pretty cheap brand. Honestly, this was only, what, $23? But hopefully it serves its purpose. Let's see. There's the charger with the male-female pin connectors. Here are the little clippy clips with the male-female pin connector and fusible link, I think. Just so 7.5 fuse in there. In case you get too much power, it'll pop that fuse instead of frying your stuff. And little terminal style connectors. I think I want to just hook these up so I can wire this to, you know, outside by the frame, so I can just plug it in real quick when I need to. Fusible link in that. And that's pretty much it. And what they call the destructions, right? Important. Okay, enough of that. All right, let's go ahead and connect it and see what happens. Looks like the best fit for this is 10mm. Let's try that. Move that out of the way. Now the positive terminal. Let's try not to arc this on anything. Now you make note when you're taking these off of how many things are actually connected to the terminals. This has got just one on the positive, one on the negative. Okay, Mr. Idiot. That's me. Red positive, black negative, correct? Duh. Put this through there. Onto the positive terminal. Ugh. Those little covers, sometimes you can't get your fingers on things. Not going super tight yet. Negative. Don't be so negative. There. Tighten these up. This one. Then we'll just have to figure out a place to thread this somewhere where it's out of the way, and maybe down through here. But you can't see that, but get somewhere where I can get to it. There we go. Plug that in there. It's just flashing red. What's it say on there? Red light charging, green light maintaining. It's not plugged in yet. Let's go ahead and plug this in. Okay, where's my little lead? Open that up. It's hard to make a mistake with that. Now the red light is solid, so that means it's charging, right? That's what it says. Let's leave it on there. Wait till it turns green. Just like that. See, now it's green. That must mean go. Maintaining. Okay, that's what it means.
Yeah, man. Keep my fingers crossed on that one. They're moving at 25 miles an hour. Uh-oh, road closed. All of it? No, I think we get through here. Uh-oh, plates. I hate these. Easy now. Yeah, we got the third gear. Woohoo! Get in the friction zone. There we go. Yeah. Look how pretty the mountains are. Sun shining off of them when it's down here. Can't see it well on these cameras, right? Was that guy on his bare feet? Yeah, barefoot walk around out here. It's not that warm. Nobody else here yet? Weird. There are signs of life on this planet. I mean, in Utah. That's where my tulips come up. I like tulips. There's another patch over here. Are they showing up? Yeah, look at those. Leaves are coming up. I think there's daffodils here too. Another patch over here. See, there's still snow. Dirty, crappy, poopy snow. But then these are where the flowers come up. I'm excited about that. I always have tulips around my birthday. Looking forward to that. All right, we got the battery tender installed on the bike. And we got tulips coming up in the garden. Spent a couple days out of town. That was kind of nice for our anniversary. So here we are, stayed the night here at the Peppermill Hotel Casino in Wendover, Nevada. It's really kind of cool, you know. The sunrise this morning was really nice, but that's Nevada for you. I'd like to ride my motorcycle out here. That'd be awesome. But yeah, we had our anniversary, so we just stayed the night and had did a little gambling and stuff, you know, trying to live the culture. The culture of the West is still cash is king and money is everything. And you know what? The new West isn't that much different than the old West. Honestly, I mean, the horses look different. I wonder how many horses it would take to equal the horsepower in this parking lot. Anyway, that road right there, Highway 93, that goes south. You go south down, it will eventually get to Ely, and then there's a whole lot of nothing until you get to like Mesquite and Las Vegas, eventually down to Arizona. By eventually, you're talking 500 miles probably-ish, something like that. And then, of course, if you go east, you get to Salt Lake, Colorado, go that direction, Wyoming, that kind of thing. And west, if you get on I-80 here, you go to Winnemucca and Elko. Eventually you get to Fallon, Carson City, yeah, Reno, and then over to Sacramento and San Francisco. You get to the coast that way, and then north, a whole lot of nothing till the North Pole. I mean, there's Idaho, some small towns, and then Canada, what do you call it? Canada, and yeah, then it's just north tundra up through there. So this is kind of a weird little oasis here. Anyway, nice hotel. I mean, and there's tons of them over here. Give this video a thumbs up. I mean, if you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. The algorithms like it just the same. And click the subscribe button down below. Lots more content coming up. I want to do some work on this. You know, I have a friend in Montana, owns a V-Rod. It's a little bit newer model, but he put the I think it was a Road King fairing on the front. Actually looked pretty good. Looked just like a Road King or a Road Glide. Maybe it was a Road Glide fairing. I can't remember. Anyway, he put that on there. I don't know. I don't know if I'll trade in the bike and get something better, something newer. We'll see what happens. I mean, there's a lot that could happen this summer, and who knows what bike rallies I might get to. It'll be fun.